Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting to you a wonderful resource called StoryBird.com. I learned about this at an eTech conference and I just thought it would be a wonderful thing to share with everyone. First I'm going to show you how to sign up for this. You can have up to 30 students per account name, and they suggested that you do it by homeroom. If you are a middle school grade. So to sign up, you have to obviously go to StoryBird.com, as you see on the screen. You go to the sign up in the upper right hand corner, sign up. So we're going to click that. And you're going to choose teacher student account type or teacher class. And you're going to want to choose a username. I'm going to do J. McGlone, and you have to fill out the necessary information. I'm going to put in my home email, and create a password. My class name, I'm just going to put room 104, Bolton, and I think this is our zip code, 44105 if I remember correctly. Class grade level, I am kindergarten preschool, and I'm going to put in special education. Actually, I'm going to put all content areas for that. And you have to type in this word. I agree with the terms and services, and create an account. Okay, so it says welcome to StoryBird, and it gives me some information here. So at the top you'll see some different options here. It says classes, create, read. If you go to the read tab, it will show you various examples of books if you want to see what people have already created. Now when I went to the conference, the content standard that they were focusing on in the classroom in which they were using these books for was having students have using the point of view in a story, all about point of view, and they wanted to the students to stay on topic. Now if you go to the create button, this is how you'll start creating your story. So as you'll see, you have to there's already pictures there for you, and you have to choose your picture, or you have to choose a theme. So these are the themes here. So you have to choose either pictures or you have to choose a theme. So I'm going to go to see more art and see what we can do here. We will go with this one. So I clicked on it, I chose my picture, and I have to click on Start a StoryBird right here with this art. And you want to kind of limit the students' time on picking out their pictures. Maybe give them 5 minutes to choose the pictures, because it shouldn't really be focused on what pictures they're getting. It's more the content that they put into the book. So you want to put in a time limit there. So what they do is they pick out pictures that are provided for them, and they drag them down kind of like a PowerPoint. So as I was saying, the students will choose a picture, and basically it will pop down here. You see these buttons here, it says add a page. So you click that, they find their next picture, and they might choose this one, and they drag it over into the box. Now they can move their picture from side to side if they want their text on the left, if they want their text on the right, if they want, I thought there was a way to put the text on the top or bottom. There may not be. So that picture is added. So we're just going to go with those, and we're going to put in a title here. So you put in a title, The Fox and the Rabbit. And it has, and then in a faraway land, lived some rabbits. And the students will go on writing their story. Now I have to tell you that it's important for the students to save often. There's a save button on the top right. So we're going to go ahead and save this. And when they're finished with their story, they will go to menu, the menu tab, and they will say publish this StoryBird, or they can save it and close it and come back to it. So we're just going to say publish it. And you can add a summary, what the story is about. And also what's kind of cool about these is you can publish these. You can actually buy them in hardbound books. Obviously, it costs a lot of money, but you know, if you have grandchildren and they make a book, it's kind of neat if you're willing to spend the money on it. So what's kind of neat about this program is it's very exciting for the kids because they are published writers. You can print these stories. It costs $2 to print them, unfortunately, but they will always be online and accessible online. The students can also go online at home and create anything they want at home. If they're you know, really eager to create more stories, maybe they want to do it within library, during library time, or maybe go home and create some. So those are some pretty cool choices the kids have. So we're going to go into classes, and here in your class homeroom, it contains all the tools you need to manage your students' work. Only you can see your tools. So okay. So this is room 104, and what you can do is add a class, and you can put room 104 and create your class. I guess we already have one in use. Let's see here. Let's click on Archive a Class. So we're on the current plan of the free one, and it says you can have up to 75, which has gone up. Last I knew it was 30. You can have 3 classes, and you can have unlimited StoryBirds. So, I don't want the Pro. So you can add assignments. So you can create an assignment for your students, maybe talking about point of view or staying on topic. You can create assignments there. So this is where you would put students' names in. You would put in their last and first name, a username, and as you'll see, it says real names are kept private and only shown to you and your students to help distinguish who's who. And it says use 3 to 25 characters with special symbols for their username. So this is an example. This is the student's username, is their name, and then they'll give you an initial activation password. And then note that the password is temporary. They'll create a new one when they log in. And I would suggest giving the students some kind of password that they can remember and know, like their lunch number that they use every day. And you can delete students very easily just by hitting this X to delete the students. You can change their password easily. You don't have to call anywhere. And you can change the student's name quite easily as well. And that is how you put your class list in. And really, if you have any other questions, I would be more than happy to assist you in using this. I think it's a very, very valuable tool, and it really gets us on board with using more technology, and I think that kids would really enjoy it. Especially for my classroom and them being so young, they really, really struggle with the artistic piece of this, of drawing the pictures. So this is a wonderful tool for my students because the pictures are already provided. So then I just want them to focus on the verbal skills of authoring the story and coming up with a story that really has a flow and it makes sense. So thank you, and if you have any other questions or concerns regarding this, please let me know and I'd be glad to help you.